Good morning, everybody. A little bit of a rough morning. I, along with 54 other of my coworkers, got laid off yesterday. So, filing for unemployment, doing all that fun stuff. But figured we'd shoot another quarantine vlog. So, here we go. Okay, we are settled in for the day, I think. Olivia's all set working on her homeschool stuff and her worksheets, and like I said earlier, I got laid off from my job. Kind of feel like that scene in Mean Girls where Tina Fey asks if anybody's felt personally victimized by Regina George. Well, I feel personally victimized by COVID-19. It's crazy. It's one of my probably longest job stints in the industry. I was with this company for almost 3 years as a regional director of sales of the hotel portfolio. And I can't really be mad at it. I get it. Things are crazy. Things are happening, and you got to do what you got to do. This job I knew wasn't going to be my end all. Like, this wasn't, my final step in life. And I feel like, although the timing wasn't great, that it's given me the push to do my own thing, do that next step, like really start focusing on my blog a bit more. You guys have been so grateful because I do this on the side, obviously, on top of being a mom and working full time. So it's going to give me more time to focus and put my energy into it. So I'm hoping that that will help. And it's, it's something that I enjoy doing, and, I've always wished I had more time for it. So lo and behold, I'm going to. And if you guys haven't checked out my blog before, it's down in the description here. I typically do travel and lifestyle type posts. So if that's something you're interested in, please hit the subscribe button too. Really would appreciate it right now, especially. And although we can't travel right now, there's some really good tips in there for when we do finally get to travel again, be it a land-based trip or a cruise. There's other cruise and travel vlogs on this channel, so I encourage you to check those out. But kind of back to my job a little bit. I walked into this job 3 years ago. I had a really great Hampton Inn Suites by Hilton that I worked for. Amazing team, amazing travel management company that owned it. And I was comfortable. Things were great. It was really well run. I think I'd been there for 2.5, almost 3 years actually. And I'm so thankful for that position because I just, I learned so much. I had a really great general manager that pushed me to learn revenue management. I had a great team that I could rely on, but there was that little bit of challenge that I needed, and the job that I previously had now came along, and I was like, okay, I'm ready for a challenge. I'm ready to need a bit more. And it was really lucrative because it was working from home. And working from home is a game changer. I'm hoping actually now with the whole COVID-19 thing that some companies do realize that it is possible to work from home. I actually kind of felt like I was more successful working from home because I didn't have all the distractions of people walking into my office on property, the front desk coming back and wanting to chit chat and things of that nature. Downsides are you don't leave your work sometimes, and sometimes you overwork, but it was great being able to get my daughter on and off the bus and not pay for daycare. It's just a better quality of life for us. And that's something that I kind of intend on working for myself, be it with this blog or whatnot, I have the goal of doing, because it's just, you can't put a price on that personal life work balance. Like being able to get up and make my daughter breakfast in the morning in our house, I can't put a price tag on that. Being able to take a break during this quarantine and watch her go ride her bike out in the street, I can't put a price on that. But as you notice, as I tell stories, they go in lots of different directions. So I took this job, and I was originally put on a team supporting Choice Hotels, and that's definitely a big change of pace once you've worked on a Hilton property for a while. And I've worked with other brands, but Hilton was a primary brand that I've worked on recently to that point. And my God, did this job, I mean, I walked into this job thinking I was like awesome. I had, like I said, a great hotel with good numbers. I just kind of thought I was Queen Sheba. Like, I knew everything. Boy, did this last hotel job just knock me on my ass and show me that I still have a lot more to learn. Very grateful for it. I mean, my industry knowledge was pushed to so many next levels over the last 3 years. And that is what I look back on, and I'm so grateful and thankful for that. If that's something, I ever want to do again, be it part-time, full-time, whatever, that, man, I have quite an artillery case for it. So, we'll see what that holds in the future. I think, I don't know, I just kind of handled it interestingly. I haven't really cried. Kind of like I said prior, I think it's that push that I needed to do something different. Like, I needed a new challenge, and I was kind of getting that itch that I needed to be fulfilled in a different way. So while it wasn't the best timing, my family and I will be fine. We just saved money. I used to coupon a lot, so we'll coupon a little bit. We're not going to be in danger of losing our house or anything because of good decisions we've made. And we'll make it through it. And I appreciate all of you, your kind words and supporting me. If you've been laid off during this COVID-19 issue and you have a personal side business that you do, or you have an Etsy account where you sell crafts, please leave it down in the comments. I'd love to share that with people on my blog and help whoever I can at this point in time. Every little business helps. I know that, there's people that are selling medical masks, or there's people that are selling guides to help parents with homeschool learning. Just any little thing, any little side business. I know money's tight, but now we're supposedly getting those stimulus checks. We'll have to do our best to support local. I did just do a post on how you can support local businesses and do a DIY Easter basket. That link's going to be down there in that description box as well. But getting, a gift card to the local trampoline park or skate park or, skating rink, maybe, I don't know, season tickets for baseball towards the summer or the fall when hopefully this is all over, or, laser tag, things of that nature, or going to your local chocolatier and ordering chocolate bunnies from there instead of buying something that's store-bought from Walmart. Not saying that's a bad choice, but these are just ideas. So please check out that post. I think when I finish wrapping up, working on some pins I need to put on my Pinterest account for you guys for some posts. I took yesterday to think and breathe, and last week was so busy at work with the hotel world coming crashing down. I haven't had time to write a little blog material, so I think that's what I'm going to be doing today. Olivia and I are hopefully going to be painting later. I'm teaching her how to watercolor paint. It's been such a long time since I did that, and before I got let go, I placed an Amazon order and got some watercolor paint, watercolor paper, some brushes, so I can do that with her. But yeah, so that's what's going on. We'll kind of take you through when we start painting in the rest of the day. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you also head over to my blog, I have an email and stuff there. Yeah, so let's do this. All right, I just did a little walking. I forced myself to get out of the house and out of my nightgown, and made Olivia get out because it rained yesterday, so now she can ride her bike, and that's all she wants to do. Now that she can ride on 2 wheels, she just begs to be outside, and I think that's important with these kids homeschooling because they're not getting PE. It's a tight turn, kid. Woo! Finishing up dinner on the deck. You're still eating, Slowpoke? Painting, we are doing puzzle. This is why I can never find nail clippers, because people take them and don't put them back. We're getting there. The problem is there's so many like little green things that look the same on this puzzle. Oof. All right, guys, I'm getting ready for bed. We've got that extra light right there for puzzle time. We're getting there. It's a rough day, obviously. Not like a rough struggle day, but exhausting. It's been a lot of work. I mean, before getting laid off, it was a lot of work in the hotel industry last week with people freaking out, losing room nights. It's very scary, very unprecedented, but good lessons of what to do and what not to do. So it's okay. We'll be good. I'm going to keep focusing on doing what I love. And like I said, I appreciate all of you. Highly encourage you to check out some of my content. I'm going to be having some more of my Paris videos coming out from some of the best restaurants and bakeries. So when this all is over and said and done, you can plan your perfect Paris trip. And I encourage you to check out my other travel videos and blog too. And again, thank you guys so much. And I will see you on the next vlog. Bye.